Hey, what's up, YouTube? So we're taking this freaking trade, low-key. We're in on these Euro JPY buys. Stop loss is 250. We were bullish, and now we're freaking bearish again. So, and there's news coming out, so I'm actually gonna add another position right here. Gonna add in drawdown, boys. Do I have two positions here? No. Let me add one more. Boom. Okay. Executed that position. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. I'll be getting out of full here, 250. But what we're hoping for, what are we hoping for, Danny? We're hoping for price to fucking fly.
If this thing flies right here, it's gonna do. It could run all the way to like 147.
So I'm expecting price to hold this little 360 area and start to flip. When is that news? 9:45.
In 3 minutes, and we have more news at 10.
Hopefully for some fucking little freaking volatility. There's a lot of volatility in the market today, boys. So I'm just making this quick video for you guys. It plays out. Look, we're rejecting here though. We're about to win our FX trades.
Yeah, I mean, like I told you, if we go to, I mean, your stop is below all my moving average. So if it were to come down there, it'll flush. But I don't think it will.
I'm in profit on all my positions. We should fly here, chat. 25 seconds is gonna get a nasty put. Watch. Watch. This is why I got up and made the video. Fly, bitch. I'm up 200 bucks.
Oh.
What? Bro, don't be saying stuff like that. It just scares me.
How the news came out.
Oh, we're pumping. That's it? That's all you're gonna give us?
News came out flat. The S&P is crashing. You
Right.
should see a nice move.
There we go. We're up 500 bucks here. I'm just happy I'm back at entry.
I was just up 75.
Oh my god, US 30 just took a fat shit. That's hilarious. Alright, will we pump?
It didn't fill me, bro. Are you kidding me right now?
I want to win this trade, bro. 650 TPs.
We going, baby. I told you. Come on. Yo, like your first TP, I honestly think we'll trim some, but I see this going to 147. I'm on a...
Oh, there we go.
Nice. Finally, I got filled on my TP. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, fire. We're both in it still. A little selfish on my part, but...
TP smash. EJ pumping.
Should I protect my capital here?
Oh my goodness.
What?
My TP was the breakout. I didn't even notice.
We just gotta give this trade some time here. We're up 10 pips, boys.
Whoever trades US 30 when news comes out, you might as well go to the roulette table and choose black or red.
Facts. Yeah, that shit's so manipulated. Yo, I just need 10 more pips here, Danny. Oh no, 15. Damn, bro, I'm pretty much back at entry.
Here we go.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Up 1,000.
Oh, right.
Up 1,000 here.
We got more news in 8 minutes.
Alright, we're at 10 pips in profit. I'm gonna close around 650, boys. Alright, there we go. We just need 9 more pips. And you give it to us.
What's your TP?
650.
Oh, yeah, we're right there. Oof. Right at my VWAP.
We're flying.
It actually looks great. Oh, my goodness.
What?
The dollar. Oh, why did I close? Oh, my goodness.
Hey, when is the dollar gonna stop pumping?
Bro, I was literally in the low of the day, bro. Like, 5 stops at 147, and I trimmed right. I didn't trim. I hit TPs. I can't get greedy. But damn, bro.
Alright, let's see. Oh, come on, bro. Can this shit fucking fly, brother?
I really hope this news is bullish and just sends JUJ, S&P, everything to the moon.
Pretty simple trade here, guys. Just a breakout.
Up and away. Come on now.
Oh, God. I'm only 5 pips in profit, bro. This is so annoying.
Yeah, EJ's moving mad slow right now.
What's up with GJ? GJ's pumping, bro.
Yeah, that's why. GJ and UJ are pumping, but EJ's not moving as fast.
So why is...
No, because the US dollar is getting stronger, babe. Waiting patiently. I'm pretty confident in this trade, though.
That 30-minute looks so clean. 1 hour also. Everything looks mad clean right now. Oh, your TP is this 4-hour engulf. Okay, I see.
We got my TP set. Next time, follow your analysis, babe. What's Amazon doing?
Amazon was almost on my break even, and now she wants to back up. S&P is bouncing at 388. QQQ off of yesterday's high. S&P off of yesterday's high.
Dude, I'm just happy we're gonna close in profit here. Like 42 seconds news come out. This can make me.
What would be nice is another leg down on the S&P and let EJ hit your teeth. If we lose yesterday's high on the S&P, it's a wrap.
Okay,
damn, I'm looking at US 30 right now. 33,000 reject, bro. Holy shit.
Dude, my girl is in the cells.
Tripping, she would have been eating.
She was in the cells, but then she took it. Then she took another person's signal. All right, here we go. News is out, brother. What are we looking like? Oh fuck!
God. Oh.
Oh fuck! Holy fuck! Oh, TP1 smash! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Close my market! Boom! Should I close this one?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm closing everything here, boys. Boom! TP1 fucking smash, bro! Beautiful! Beautiful! That was insane, chat! Wow. As you guys can see, boom! $1,400 on the day, boys.
High, TP smashed.
Easy fucking money, chat. Safe buys played out once again. What's up? Super fucking
And cool. Amazon just clap my cheeks. That's fine. I'm out.
Super clean trade, guys. All right, so let's break down this trade for them. So I'm gonna break this down. Let me put my terminal away. All right, so right over here, guys, as you guys can see, we have a hourly candle that gave us massive rejections here to this area down over here. That area is telling me, okay, price doesn't want to continue down. It doesn't want to break that 146,000 area, right? So I understand, okay, if price doesn't want to break that 146, we could possibly see a retracement of yesterday's push. Now, when price started to come back up, started to break the highs,
and now we cruising at TPs. Now I want to see some consolidation. Yo, this is like an A+ trade right here.
Dude, easy money, bro. Easy money. So now we had this consolidation down here on the 15-minute time frame, right? So all I did was put buy stops right above here. So once I saw price come up and peek through these highs and started to give me a rejection wick, I knew that once we rebroke those highs at 146,450 area, I knew that we were good to go for TPs. Easy trade, guys. Easy money. All called on my signal group, as you guys can see. Let me put it up right here. Right over here, we got Euro JPY buy stops. Entry 146,450. Stop loss 250. 146,650 was my TP1. Waiting patiently to get triggered. News coming out, gang. And then boom, we got triggered. As you guys can see, all real live results, guys. We don't fuck around with that. Plus 10 pips and TP1 smash, boys. And as you guys can see, we did it all live, bro. We were patient here with you guys. Had to close pretty quick, but super clean trade in my opinion. $1,483.16 in profit. But if you guys do want to get my signals, boys, just click the Freedom Trading group chat, the Freedom Trading link down below, and that way you can get my breakdowns, my mentorship, literally anything you guys need to become better traders, bro. So I do this for the people. This is just some free content for you guys, just so you guys can see that we actually do this shit. We do it live. This is not a screenshot. This is not anything. This is real shit. But yeah, so all we gotta do is trading. So you want to take another trade?